But of course, for those who have already put down roots in New York, leaving isn't always an easy option. Hope and resilience in the face of struggles. Despite the hardships, the Jamaican community in New York is resilient. People like Omar Brown and Colleen Nicholas may be struggling, but they aren't giving up. The sense of pride and determination that comes from their Jamaican heritage pushes them to keep going, even when the odds are stacked against them. For many, the thought of returning to Jamaica is out of the question. They've invested too much in their journey to the US, and going back would feel like a failure. Instead, they push forward, finding strength in their families, their communities, and their belief that a better future is still possible. The road to success may be challenging, but these immigrants show us that the American dream, while difficult to achieve, is still possible for those willing to work hard and persevere. Wrapping up, the journey of Jamaican immigrants. As we've explored today, the struggles Jamaican immigrants face in New York are real and complex. From the astronomical cost of living to the pressure of working multiple jobs, many are barely surviving.